What do you have there? Is it your very own remote control? I bought her own remote control because she always wants mine. So now she has her very own remote control. Isn't that exciting? Yeah, so exciting. Yes. What are you going to do first? Too bad there's no lights, hey? Yes, maybe you like the lights on mine, but I'm so happy. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. So we're having a bit of a ice day today. I didn't go to the gym because you can't even walk outside. Yes. There are chunks of trees everywhere, power lines down, and accidents. Yeah, it's yucky out. Oh, so exciting, isn't it? It's dark in here. No, it's not really dark. It's just dark on my camera. Yeah, so happy. I have my own remote control. Oh, yes, I do. Huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. First, I'm going to eat the buttons. Yes. Okay. Yeah. It's so exciting. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yes? Is it good? Oh, look how spitty you are. I'm so covered in spit. Yeah, it's just exciting, isn't it? Yeah, you have your own one. That's Veda's remote control. Just for Veda. Daddy can't have it. Mommy can't have it. It's Veda's. Yes. Just for you. Yeah. Very nice. That's a good one. Oh, yes. Very nice. Mm-hmm. Are you happy? Yeah? Do you like it? Was that a good gift? This a good gift? Yeah? Better than any toy? Yeah? Oh boy. Okay. I gotta unpack this other stuff.